Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send docs from Binance to Telegram wallet. So first of all, you have to just go and open your Binance mobile application or just go to the Binance here and you have to log in into your Binance account. Now you have to go to the wallet section which is on the top right side corner and select on spots and find docs in your list of asset. Now initiate withdrawal. Now you have to just go back to your Telegram, go to your wallet section here. If you don't find it, just search your wallet, make sure there's a check mark. And here you have to click on open wallet. Now your wallet will get open here. Now once it get open, scroll down and find docs. Now once you open your wallet, sometimes this wallet doesn't work or doesn't load. So make sure that you try to open any mobile application or just refresh this page. Now here you have to return to the Binance and paste the copied docs address to the address field, right? Choose the appropriate network, specify the amount of docs you wish to send, right? Note that there's a minimum withdrawal amount, usually around 1000 docs here. And once you does that, since Telegram wallet does not require a memo, leave the field empty, confirm the withdrawal, and that's it. Now you can check the status, and in just after a few minutes, you can check the status of your withdrawal in the Binance app to confirm the transfer was successful. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. So